Hi, I'm Lisa Leiter. In Chicago Business Today, tech IPOs. The market is thawing for local technology IPOs. Trustwave is aiming to be a public company by this time next year. And InvestNet, a mutual fund technology provider, has already filed its prospectus. Trustwave makes the software that makes sure retailers are meeting credit card security standards. The company's co-founder and chief executive, Bob McCullen, tells Crain that the time is right to sell the company's stock.
As we've grown internationally, we're in 20 markets around the world. Being a public status does provide you a certain credibility. And we just crossed 1 million customers, which is amazing in itself. But as customers look to us to do more things, I think having that public credentials would be important.
Trustwave has seen explosive growth in the past 2 years. The company's headcount has gone from 300 to 500, with 130 employees here in Chicago. McCullen says revenue will shoot up 40 to 50% this year, topping $100 million. Trustwave not only benefited from the rise in credit card use, but also by the need for tighter security after some big identity theft cases dominated the headlines.
Thanks for your time, guys.
Trustwave has been profitable since 2005, and in the past year alone snapped up 4 other companies. McCullen says he hopes the proceeds from an IPO would allow him to do even more acquisitions.
There's other large companies around our size that are interesting. Plus, it allows us, I think, to expand more aggressively internationally. We're in 20 markets, as I mentioned, and all those are interesting opportunities, but they all take investment.
McCullen also hopes to use that money to break into new markets. The company is adding products like encryption and network protection that it can sell to the same small firms that use its credit card software. But as it grows, so could Trustwave's competition. IBM and Symantec are already getting deeper into the business. Trustwave's board is expected to make a final decision on an IPO within the next few months. And that's this edition of Chicago Business Today. You can read more about this story in this week's print edition of Crain's, and be sure to follow us on Twitter for all your breaking news. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.